Most people believe that the secret to wealth is earning more money, but the truth is financial struggles rarely come from income alone. Instead, it's the hidden habits, those small everyday choices that quietly shape our financial futures. In this video, we'll uncover 7 powerful financial habits that actually make people wealthy. These aren't the typical tips you hear every day. They're practical, proven, and often overlooked. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others stay stuck, you're about to find out. Let's start by understanding why habits matter more than income. It's easy to think that a bigger paycheck will solve all your problems, but studies show that even high earners can struggle financially if their habits don't support wealth building. Habits are the foundation of financial health. They guide your decisions, shape your mindset, and determine your results over time. By focusing on the right habits, anyone regardless of income can build real lasting wealth. Now, let's dive into the first habit that sets wealthy people apart from the rest. First habit is automation. Wealthy people don't rely on willpower to save money. They set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts. This way, saving becomes effortless and consistent. For example, you might set your bank to move 10% of every paycheck into a separate account before you even see it. Over time, these small automatic actions add up to significant savings. Automation removes the temptation to spend and ensures you're always paying yourself first. Next, focus on investing in assets rather than liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like stocks, rental properties, or small businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, take money out. Think cars, gadgets, or expensive clothes. Wealthy individuals prioritize buying assets that generate income or grow in value. For example, instead of upgrading to a new phone every year, consider investing that money in a low-cost index fund. Over time, your assets will work for you, creating a snowball effect. Most people only look at their income, but truly wealthy people track their net worth. Net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. By tracking this number, you get a clear picture of your financial health. It helps you see progress, spot problems, and make better decisions. For example, if your net worth isn't growing, you can quickly identify if you're spending too much or not investing enough. Tracking net worth keeps you focused on the big picture, not just your paycheck. Wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's also about what you keep. Cutting unnecessary expenses is a habit that can free up money for saving and investing. Start by reviewing your subscriptions, memberships, and regular spending. Are there services you rarely use? Small leaks like unused gym memberships or forgot app subscriptions can add up over time. By trimming these expenses, you create more room in your budget for what truly matters. Wealthy people never stop learning about money. They read books, watch videos, and seek out new information every day. This habit keeps them ahead of trends and helps them make smarter decisions. For example, reading just one article or listening to a podcast about investing each day can compound your knowledge over time. The more you know, the more confident and effective you become with your finances. Short-term gratification is tempting, but wealthy people think long-term. They set clear goals for the future, like buying a home, funding retirement, or starting a business. Instead of spending impulsively, they prioritize these goals and make decisions that support them. For example, delaying a vacation now could mean a bigger investment portfolio later. Planning for the long term helps you resist temptations and stay focused on what truly matters. Wealthy people don't set and forget their financial plans. They review their progress every month and make adjustments as needed. This habit keeps them on track and helps them spot issues early. For example, if you notice your spending creeping up, you can quickly correct course. Monthly reviews also let you celebrate wins and stay motivated. Regular check-ins are key to building lasting wealth. You might wonder why so many people ignore these habits. The truth is they're not flashy or exciting. They require patience, discipline, and consistency, qualities that aren't always celebrated in our instant gratification culture. Many people look for quick fixes or shortcuts, but real wealth is built slowly through steady, intentional actions. By understanding this, you can set yourself apart and start building habits that truly make a difference. Consistency is the secret ingredient behind every wealthy person's success. Small actions repeated over time create massive results. For example, saving just $5 a day may not seem like much, but over a year it adds up to over $1,800. When invested, that money can grow even more. The key is to stick with your habits even when progress feels slow. Over time, consistency compounds and transforms your financial life. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you set up an automatic transfer of $200 from your paycheck into a savings account every month. At first, it might not feel like much, but after a year you'll have $2,400 saved, without even thinking about it. Over 5 years, that's $12,000, not including any interest or investment growth. Automation turns saving into a habit that works quietly in the background, building your wealth step by step. Consider someone who chooses to invest $100 a month in a diversified stock fund instead of spending it on new gadgets. Over 10 years with average market returns, that investment could grow to over $15,000. Meanwhile, the gadgets would lose value and clutter up your home. This simple shift from spending on liabilities to investing in assets can dramatically change your financial future. Tracking your net worth can be as simple as listing your assets and debts in a spreadsheet once a month. Over time, you'll notice trends. Maybe your debt is shrinking or your investments are growing. This awareness helps you make smarter choices like paying off high-interest debt or increasing your investment contributions. Tracking net worth turns vague goals into measurable progress. Suppose you cancel a $15 monthly subscription you no longer use. That's $180 saved each year. If you find 3 similar expenses, you could save over $500 annually. Redirecting these savings into investments or an emergency fund can have a big impact over time. Cutting expenses isn't about deprivation, it's about making your money work harder for you. Imagine reading one article about personal finance every day. In a year, you'll have absorbed 365 new ideas or strategies. This steady learning helps you avoid mistakes, spot opportunities, and stay motivated. Over time, your growing knowledge base becomes a powerful tool for building and protecting your wealth. Let's say you set a goal to buy a home in 5 years. By breaking this big goal into smaller steps like saving for a down payment, improving your credit, and researching neighborhoods, you make steady progress. Long-term planning keeps you focused and helps you make daily choices that support your bigger dreams. At the end of each month, take 30 minutes to review your spending, savings, and investments. Did you meet your goals? Where can you improve? This simple habit keeps you accountable and ensures you're always moving forward. Monthly reviews are a chance to celebrate progress and make adjustments before small issues become big problems. All these habits work together to create the compound effect. This means small, positive actions repeated consistently lead to exponential results over time. It's not about making one big move, it's about making the right moves day after day. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. Remember, wealth is built quietly, not quickly. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with one habit, maybe automating your savings or tracking your net worth. As you build confidence, add more habits over time. The most important thing is to start. Even small steps taken consistently can transform your financial future. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Building wealth isn't about luck or secret formulas. It's about simple, proven habits practiced over time. By automating your savings, investing in assets, tracking your net worth, cutting expenses, learning daily, planning for the long term, and reviewing your progress, you set yourself up for lasting success. If you found these insights helpful, consider subscribing for more practical tips that can help you take control of your financial future. Your journey to wealth starts with the habits you choose today.